Here we're going to show you how to fix a common problem on the Technics RS1500 series tape machine, which is a loose head selector switch. This can cause intermittent static to appear or audio to drop from either one or both channels. Start by removing the 3 silver-colored screws securing the head block with a 2.5mm Allen wrench, and then gently pull the block from the machine and set it aside. Take a small Phillips head screwdriver and remove the screw holding the plastic cover in place. Remove the cover and set to the side. Orient the head as shown with the switch closest to the edge of the block. Observe the switch. Most of the machines we see have lifted tabs like the one shown here. This can allow the switch to drift and make poor contact. Slide the switch to the left, and with a small pair of needle nose pliers, crimp these tabs flush, being careful not to apply too much pressure. Now slide the switch to the right and rotate the head to view the switch from the opposite side. The switch will be a bit more challenging to get to from this side, and you will not reach both tabs with pliers. Here's a better view to show this side of the switch. And yet another closer view. Using a small flathead screwdriver, carefully push these tabs down flush. Spray a small amount of contact cleaner into the switch from the back side and move the switch back and forth a few times to work it in. That's it. Replace the plastic back cover and reinstall the head block.